Good morning, everybody, and welcome to this short tutorial about the login procedure to access the platform which is going to be used for the SICC conference. I strongly suggest you to use Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome as your default choice as browser default choice to log in into the platform. As you can see here, you will have to fill the dedicated field. So use your email and the password that you will receive inside the email and password fields. Once you have done this, you can click on login and a loading screen will appear. You will have to wait a few moments in order for the platform to configure and to download some data. At the beginning, you will see the structure of the platform from the outside, and you will be able to enter it by clicking on the arrow on the right of your screen, like this. Okay. At this point, you will find yourself inside the main room of the conference, and you will be able to see your own default avatar. This avatar will need to be customized, and in order to do so, you will need to access to the menus and buttons on the left of your screen. More specifically, you will have to click on the menu button on the bottom left of your screen, like this, and you will have the access to a specific perspective where you can perform several different actions, but let's now focus on the customization of your avatar. First of all, you will have to click on Profile. In Profile, you will have to modify the information about your avatar. So you will have to type your first name, your last name, choose your gender, male or female, insert your business email, add your company name and your position inside such company, add your city and your country. Moreover, you will also be able to fill a series of non-mandatory fields like your address, zip code, province, and so on. You can also add your phone number, fax, mobile phone, and so on. I strongly suggest you, in order to be able to be recognized by other participants, to upload a profile picture. And this can be done by clicking on the button inside the dedicated field, like that. You can also add your company logo in the same way, or your CV, by simply uploading your document. You can also add some specific keywords summarizing your interests or job experience, titles, and so on. Once your data have been added to this window, you have to save the information, and this can be done by clicking on the Save green button on the bottom right of your screen, like that. Okay, so now you will find again in front of your avatar, but your information will be now updated. You can now check if the update was fine, and in order to do so, you will have to click on your profile link, which is basically the button on the top left of your screen, like this. And you will find the information that you had. To close the window, you have to click on the X button on the top right, or you can also edit at any time the information by clicking on the Edit button. Once you have updated your basic profile informations, you can move to the next step, which is the customization of your avatar.
A very interesting feature of this virtual conference environment is that you can customize your avatar. To do so, you have to click on the top left button and open the menu. Between the operations, you find dressing room. This will allow you to change the look of your avatar. The top button is to change the head. The second is change the appearance and other features. The third one is to change your attire. And then the last one is to select color and other types of attires. Once you are happy with it, you click on the green floppy disk at the bottom right corner of the screen. By doing so, your avatar will look the way you selected it. This customization, however, is not mandatory, it's completely optional. So if you want to do it, feel free to do it, or you just will use the avatar that is provided by the virtual conference environment once you access it. Once you join the conference, you can move around in any area of the virtual conference environment. To do so, there are two ways. You either use the arrows on your keyboard, and while doing so, if you press the Shift button, your avatar will move faster, or you can use your mouse by point and click. A purple cursor will tell you where your avatar is going. By press and hold the mouse button, you can look around anywhere around the 3D virtual environment. Another way to move around is by fast transporting to other areas. To do so, you need to open the map, which is on the left side of the screen, and then you will see the rooms, Leonardo, Archimede, and Galileo. By clicking on any room, you will be teletransported directly there. So this is the map. You can go to the stands of the sponsor, or you can go to other areas in the environment like this. Then you can move around, you can go and visit the stands of our sponsors. You can browse through their brochures, their products, you can view videos, you can visit their websites, you can interact with the avatar, you can look at bulletin if it's there. So this is a way to browse around the virtual environment. Through these three panels, you can directly jump to the three rooms where the technical table will be held. The map also allows you to jump to the upper floor to the auditorium through this button on the left. This is the auditorium where the plenary session and the poster sessions will take place. By opening the map again and going back to exhibition, we are then again transported to the virtual environment of the conference. Every time you meet another avatar, you can interact with them. There are several ways to do it. The easiest one is to click on the avatar, and then you will see three icons at the bottom. The right one is to chat. Therefore, you will open it and chat normally. Another way to interact is by using your voice and calling the other avatar by doing this. Okay. And then finally, you can exchange business card. Business card has been exchanged, and then you will find, after receiving the business card from the other avatar, you will find it in your exchanged business cards. So you have all the information of the other avatar in your bag. Once you have already communicated with someone through the general menu, you can either go back to chat and select those you have already chatted with, or again through the menu, you can call your contacts or anyone who is online. At the bottom left of your screen, you will see the menu. This allows you to access different features of the virtual conference. For example, your bag. Your bag is where you keep all the contacts, the exchange business cards, and it's also the place where you keep all the products that you have been looking at the stands of different companies, and also My Docs. For example, the brochures that you have downloaded from from around the conference. You can view them, you can download them on your computer, or you can delete them. Then in the bottom part of the menu is the operations, where you can change your password, you can change the information of your profile. This information is what will appear on your business card. Then we have already seen the dressing room, call, map, chat. You can search any information, you can ask for support. The settings, you can set the volume and the time after which you will be shown as away. And finally, log out. Please keep in mind it's really important that you log out at the end of every session once you want to leave the environment, as otherwise it will not allow you to enter again.